Hi guys, welcome back to Hugabug. Today I am going to show you how to make this 3D star out of cardstock. So it looks like it's pretty complicated, but it's very simple. If you can cut a straight line, you can make this star. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get started. To make a 3D star, you need a piece of cardstock paper, you need a pair of scissors, a string, a pencil and eraser, and a ruler. Fold the paper in half, then sketch out half a star with the crease at the bottom. Then draw a spine in the center of the star. We're going to create 3 smaller stars within the one you just drew, making sure to avoid the spine area. Then cut out the star and cut the lines inside the star up to the spine, leaving the spine intact. Unfold the star and bend the ribs of the star, alternating forward and backward to create a 3D shape. Hole punch the top of the star and pull string through. Your ornament is ready to hang on the tree. So I hope you enjoyed making this 3D star, and if you did, don't forget to like my video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!